legal vision, I would like to talk about the Trump administration at Harvard University. So the problem is brewing in the USA. It affects worldwide, including Indians. So that's why I have taken and preferred this topic. What happens to the Trump and in his administration and dealing with all, including tariff? He raised the tariff and contested. That also has been blocked by this one court in USA, and he stayed. The stay has been given to the tariff. Same thing that is also his administration has entered into the Harvard University. What's happening there? And what is in the Harvard University? Harvard University is being funded by the federal governments in USA. The university which is doing a best, it is doing and it's coming the various courses, particularly in the world political courses are very important. These courses are studied by worldwide also students, including Indians. This university has produced many leaders, even in the business, even in the politics, and even in law also. So it's the biggest university which is offering more things and more courses to worldwide. Many seminars, many meetings, and many practices are there, and which train the people best. Thereby the students are getting more benefits. They are becoming what's a target. If he wants to become a political leader, he becomes a leader. If he wants to become a leader in business, he becomes a leader. If he wants to be leaders in law, he becomes a leader. Such a thing is happening by the training and practices of the Harvard University. It is enrolling all the students from the worldwide. So the maximum universities in India and other nations also, they are also recommending to go to the Harvard University, because their practices and the training methods are entirely different. Democratic values are important. That is also important, because the USA is the biggest democratic nation like India, and it is giving it to the values for the democratic system. In this sense, after coming to the power, the Trump administration targets on the Harvard University. Why? That is the question. Because the defense by the Trump administration are entirely different. They give the really defense in a different way, and which are producing the Harvard University, producing the not a democratic students, and they are not imparting the democratic value. They are imparting and is also against the democratic system. Like that, more allegations are there. So that's why the Trump administration is not at all interested to give the funds to the Harvard University. The Trump administration advised to scrap up the selected courses which are against the also democratic value, and that's why there's also the way the funds are stopped and the federal funds are stopped. But Harvard University is decided very strongly. We are not doing so. We are doing our own courses. We submit the result which shows to the world we have produced many leaders in various fields, various disciplines. So that's why we are not at all interested to stop that. We will continue it, we will proceed further, and we will take more steps to continue it. We don't need your funds. It says to us in the Trump administration, we take our one fund, we collect it, the funds, we collect from the students, we educate the students, we give them the practice usual, we can't stop it. Because a world best, a renowned and best tutors and teachers and professors are educating to the students in Harvard University. They are invited, and they are also really used for the training the students there. That's why the Harvard University is very famous. A very selected tutors, very selected also the teachers are invited to impart the education to the students in Harvard University. In such a biggest way, the Harvard University is doing it. So now currently judiciary has entered. The judiciary, the court of the also USA has stopped the action against the Harvard University by the Trump administration. That's why the fund is continuing and continuously flowing to the Harvard University from the USA, US state administration. So fund has not been blocked due to interference of the judiciary, whatever it may be. Education is education. Education values are very important. So let the USA government check the educational values are misused. Is used against the also USA government. Is used against in the democratic system. All have to be analyzed. After that only the USA administration can take a decision. This is the best one. So let the university do the best. In future also, let the university produce a best valuable leaders in the democracy, in the business and various disciplines. It is welcomeable one. Thank you.